Hello, good evening my pretty, gorgeous and lovely ladies. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful, yes and lovely kalamkaris. Let's start with the mannequins. Now back to our collection. Follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. And the saree which I am wearing is lovely kalamkari, very pretty, green color, all over beautiful florals and leaves. Kora andi, fabric vachesi Kora fabric, chudugane ardham ayipotundi. And this is the border, kaddi border, and very pretty pallu here, lovely peacocks and florals. Blouse vachesi manaki ee color lo untundi, plain with border vastundi. And ee saree pricing and details 10,960. Take a screenshot along with the code O5453. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree. Let's see another saree. Yeah, it's a tussar kalamkari. Complete floral jal, florals and leaves. Downside we got very beautiful peacocks, blue and maroon. And this is the border, temple border, kaddi with temple border. Idi tussar khadi kalamkari andi, very pretty. And this is the pallu, very beautiful ikat pallu, ikat pattern lo vachindi pallu anedi. And blouse, gorgeous contrast, plain blouse anamata ila vachindi. You can customize this blouse, and మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే కదా, for customized blouses contact our brand Offer Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. And e saree pricing and details, let me give you 16,240. In చూయించే sarees అన్ని exclusive kalamkari, silks, koras, tassels, so many lots of varieties ఉన్నాయండి. Just note down the screenshot, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree. Yeah, beautiful tassel kalamkari which is in mint green. Very pretty zari checks, golden zari checks with floral jal, curves, vines and maniki mirror work kuda vachindi ikkada. Mirror and thread work vachindi. And this is the border, kaddi border. And this is the pallu, beautiful peacocks, zari lines with idantha kanta work vachindandi. Thread work. Wow, they got a very beautiful blouse for this. This is the blouse, contrast beige color, light brown and beige combination. Zari line checks vachai, work vachindi sleeves ki, and this is the back side. Ila vastundi back side. And chala pretty ga undi saree. Kalamkari print to paatu we got a nice thread work also, and ee saree price mirror and thread work 8880 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Code vachesi O371. Yeah, very lovely. This is a tussar fabric, pure tussar silk sarees andi. Another saree. Wow, very beautiful. Kanchi kalamkari, which is in beige and pink combination, all over zari booties along with the kalamkari hand paint. Lovely florals, lotus florals, leaves, and this is the border, kanchi border with floral vine, zigzag kaddi and temples. Very lovely pallu, diamond brocade with floral vials border. We got a very lovely blouse, contrast plain with border, and beautiful saree. Pricing and kanchi kalamkari idi price vachesi 34,399. Take a screenshot along with the code M464. Send us on 733 733 7000. Chala lovely andi. Another kanchi saree, beautiful. One more kanchi kalamkari which is in peach color, kanakambram color, very beautiful shade. All over zari floral booties and beautiful matsya kanna laga vachayandi. It's a dolls. Beautiful florals along with the beautiful goddess, water goddess, and this is the border. Contrast maroon color with lovely peacocks and elephants along with the floral brocade, and this is the pallu, complete leaf brocade along with the zigzag lines, and we got a contrast blouse, plain with border, peach and maroon, very pretty shade. And the saree price 45,599. Take a screenshot along with the code K491. Send us on 733 733 7000. Wow. Wow. Such a beautiful saree. It's a silk andi, pattu kalamkari silk. Very pretty Ramayana theme laga undi ikkada. Anta trees, goddess. Downside anta water. Water laga vachesi andulo manaki fishes and florals, water bubbles vachai. Lotus, very beautiful. And this is the border, plain contrast along with the kaddi and temples. And this is the gorgeous pallu, leaf brocade, contrast pallu, blouse, contrast with kalamkari floral print and border. And the saree pricing and details చూసేద్దాం. 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. And have another unique specialty on the inside. We got very pretty writings here. ఇది వచ్చేసి ప్లీట్స్కి వచ్చేస్తుంది మనకి. కంప్లీట్ రామాయణాల రాసారండి. కంప్లీట్ హ్యాండ్ పెయింట్ ఇదంతా. సో బ్యూటిఫుల్ కదా. లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ సారీ. కలంకారీ అనేది మనకి 400 years ఓల్డ్ నుంచి వచ్చిందండి ఈ ఆర్ట్ వర్క్ అనేది. అండ్ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ స్పెషల్ అండ్ యూనిక్ డిజైన్స్ అన్నమాట మనకి కలంకారీలో. వెరీ ప్రిటీ టస్సర్ సారీ, all over florals and leaves with kaddi border. This is the pallu, zari lines and floral vines border. Blouse contrast blue color, maroon and blue combination lo ochindi complete ga manaki. And ee saree pricing and details 10,960. Take a screenshot along with the code J565. Send us on 733-733-7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Do follow regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni subscribe cheyandi, share cheyandi, like cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. Let's see another gorgeous saree. This is very super gorgeous saree, Kanchi Kalamkari. Very pretty shade, indigo blue with purple combination. All over fishes, lotus, florals and water based theme. Circles lo fishes వచ్చాయి. ఇదంతా మనకి హ్యాండ్ పెయింట్ వస్తుందండి. ఎంత pretty art అనేది. And this is the Kanchi border with cross kaddi, floral vines and diamond brocade. And this is the gorgeous pallu with diamond brocade. Blouse, pure Kanchi blouse contrast with silk brocade and border. And the beautiful and gorgeous Kanchi Kalamkari saree price vachesi 45,599. Take a screenshot along with the code O381. Send us on 733-733-7000. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. లెట్స్ సీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సారీ. బేజ్ కలర్, టస్సర్ కలంకారీ, బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లోరల్స్, లోటస్ అండ్ డౌన్ సైడ్ అంతా మనకి ఫిషెస్ థీమ్, వాటర్ అండ్ ఫిష్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ థీమ్ అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి థ్రెడ్ బార్డర్. పల్లు, florals and lovely peacock here. And wow, blouse చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది. మస్టర్డ్ లో వచ్చింది, లైట్ మస్టర్డ్ విత్ బార్డర్ అండ్ లైన్స్, బ్లాక్ కలర్ లైన్స్. సూపర్బ్ గా ఉంది సారీ. ఇది కూడా టస్సర్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ once again. Just take a screenshot like this. సరే, ఈ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ వచ్చే వరకు ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదండి కంచికలం సారీ, ఒకసారి దాని లుక్ చూసేద్దాం. ఓవరాల్ లుక్ saree pricing and details note down cheskondi. 11,600. Take a screenshot along with the code O369. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Wow, it's a beautiful Paithani saree, Kalamkari Paithani, all over zari booties along with beautiful complete floral ja vachindandi. Beautiful girls dolls bommalu vachayi ikkada. Very pretty, lovely woman. And this is the border contrast pink color with diamond brocade. Very pretty dolls andi. Downside chaala andanga unnai. Ala just Nizam lanti ala queens laga vachayi ikkada. This is the Paithani pallu, rich Paithani. Flower vases with peacocks along with the munyas, rich kaddi pallu, and this is the beautiful contrast blouse with floral jal and border, blue and pink. And ee saree pricing and details 31,999. Take a screenshot along with the code O383. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, wine color. This is Paithani saree andi, Paithani silk saree with all over floral buttas and hand print Kalankari floral print, florals and leaves. Border contrast diamond brocade border and pallu, rich Paithani pallu with flower vases with munya booties, diamond booties and peacocks. Blouse contrast lilac blouse, lilac shade with border and kalamkari hand paint. And a beautiful saree pricing and details. So pretty andi. 35,999. Take a screenshot along with the code D563. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Wow, beautiful silk saree, pattu, kalamkari pattu saree. Very pretty doll. ఇక్కడ కృష్ణుడు వచ్చాడండి, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది. కంప్లీట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫ్లోరల్స్, లీవ్స్, ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి జరీ చెక్స్, మల్టీ కలర్ జరీ చెక్స్ వచ్చాయి with temples. And we got a very pretty pallu. I'll show you like this from here. Very pretty Krishna, Shri Krishna, and lovely kaddi border, kaddi pallu. Let me show you the blouse. Wow, very gorgeous blouse with checks, contrast blouse, zari checks. And this saree pricing and details 31,999. Take a screenshot along with the code G207. Send us on 733 733 7000. And for more collections, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook. And for customized blouses, contact our brand, for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another beautiful saree, which is an indigo blue. It's a tussar silk Tussar kalamkari, beautiful hand painted kalamkari, lotus, florals and water bubbles. And this is the kaddi border, beige color, and lovely pallu, which is in peach color, zari lines along with the water bubbles, lotus, very beautiful sea theme. And blouse, contrast beige with kalamkari florals and border, kaddi border along with the kalamkari border. And ee saree pricing and details. 13,280. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see Kanchi kalamkari. Wow, beautiful peach and blue color. Akalanti burnt orange peach ala vastundi idi. Very very pretty dolls here in circles. Beautiful. And floral jal and vines, leaves. This is the border, Kanchi border, with intricate curvy lines with florals, diamond brocade, contrast border, contrast pallu with round brocade, floral vines border. And this is the blouse, contrast plain with border. And this saree pricing and details. 47,999. Take a screenshot along with the code M455. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Yeah, it's a silk andi, pure silk. Beautiful beige color, beige and light peach combination lo undi. Florals, lotus, birds, water bubbles and water plants. And this is the kaddi border, peach color, pallu in peach color with birds, lotus buds vachandi with water bubbles. And we got super gorgeous contrast blouse with all over print and border. And this saree pricing and details. 12,000. Take a screenshot along with the code I320. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see overall look of this beautiful saree. Another saree. Wow, very lovely green shade, olive green. This is half and half saree. And ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి పళ్ళు దగ్గర ఉంటుందండి. ఇదంతా షోల్డర్ పార్ట్ దగ్గర నుంచి ఉంటుంది రాయల్ పళ్ళు అనేది. మనకి ప్లీట్స్ దగ్గర అంతా ఇది మస్టర్డ్ లో ఉంది. కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్. ఇది వచ్చేసి బగల్పూరి, వెరీ ప్రెటీ బగల్పూరి సారీ. బ్యూటిఫుల్ పళ్ళు. వావ్, డ్యూయల్ పికాక్, ఒక బిగ్ లోటస్ వచ్చింది with florals, such a pretty and lovely. And downside we got triangular design, florals and lines. Super and very lovely. And this saree blouse chuseddam. Yeah, this is the blouse. Contrast with lines and border. Chala pretty ga undi. And this saree pricing and details. Idi Bagalpuri silk, very pretty kalamkari hand paint. 14,160 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code O368. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah, it's a pure crepe. Beautiful, complete florals. Kalamkari florals, which is in beige color lo undandi saree. Beige and black combination. Border black plain ochindi. Complete floral jal ochindi madhyalo anta multi colors tho. And this is the pallu with a huge peacock అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ మెరూన్ కలర్ వచ్చింది. ఆల్ ఓవర్ కలంకారీ ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ అండ్ జాల్ with border. And this beautiful saree pricing and details 4,800. Take a screenshot along with the code K520. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Wow, kandamaina saree vachestundi, which is in maroon color, maroon and yellow. What a traditional combo andi. It's a pure Kanchi Kalamkari silk saree. Beautiful village theme anamata. Okay, very beautiful ladies are sitting over here and they are just talking with each other, and lovely florals and beautiful deers, very pretty coconut trees here. And such a lovely and beautiful saree, super gorgeous. And we got very big border, Kanchi border with peacocks, diamond brocade, yellow color, and lovely pallu with a diamond brocade and florals and peacock borders. Super gorgeous and very lovely. And we got a contrast blouse with kalamkari buttas and border. So lovely. చాలా హుందాగా చాలా రాయల్ గా ఉంటుందండి ఈ సారీ. అండ్ ఈ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 51,999. Take a screenshot along with the code D569. Send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. It's a silk again, pure silk. Kalamkari ఇలా బ్లాక్స్ లాగా వచ్చి అందులో ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ వచ్చాయండి. మనకి ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ వచ్చింది. పీచ్ అండ్ yellow కాంబినేషన్ లో ఉంది. పీచ్ అండ్ మస్టర్డ్ yellow. Complete leaves and florals design. And this is the border. Very pretty contrast border with florals. And this is the pallu. Beautiful ladies, very pretty girls with lotus flowers, leaves. And let me show you the blouse. Blouse is contrast blue color with kalamkari buttas and border. And ee saree pricing and details 12,640. Take a screenshot along with the code O365. Send us on 733 733 7000. And indaka nenu chuinchanu kada Kanchi Kalamkari, very lovely maroon and mustard yellow color shade. Let's have a quick look. Let's see another saree. Wow, very soft Kanchi Kalamkari andi. Very beautiful. Idi pure crepe andi, very lovely pure crepe saree with very pretty peacocks in circles, florals, beautiful lotus. This is the border, very pretty lotus border, beige color, indigo blue and beige combination lo icharu combination. and adripoindi. And this is the pallu with beautiful zari lines and kalamkari rounds and circle booties. Yeah, idanతా snail design andi. It's a snails, oka water theme kada, snail designs ochindi. And this is the blouse, contrast with all over kalamkari hand paint and border. ఇది వచ్చేసి ప్యూర్ క్రేప్ అండి, ప్యూర్ క్రేప్, సూపర్ గా ఉంది అసలు. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 12,640. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Wow, so pretty. Mustard and blue combination, mustard peach and blue ila combinations వచ్చాయి, multi colors. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఎంత అందంగా ఉన్నారో ఈ అమ్మాయిలు, very lovely goddess. And in between also we got very pretty ladies, beautiful girls in circles, and along with the leaves and floral booties and border, floral vines border, contrast with the blue edge. And this is the pallu, very pretty. ఇలా వస్తుంది యాక్చువల్లీ ఆ పళ్ళు చూడడానికి ఇలా కనపడుతుంది మనకి. సి విత్ లవ్లీ హట్స్, ఒక విలేజ్ లో గోవులు ఉన్నాయి అండ్ హట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ట్రీస్ ఉన్నాయి, కౌస్, వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్, సూపర్బ్ అండి, సూపర్బ్ ఉంది. మనకి ఇంకా ఫిషెస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో పైన, మనం వెతకాలి కానీ చాలా దొరుకుతాయి మనకి కలంకారీలో. అండ్ వెరీ లవ్లీ. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పీచ్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ విత్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ కలంకారీ బూటీస్ అండ్ బార్డర్. అండ్ ఈ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్రిటీ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. $12,640. Take a screenshot along with the code 0377. Send us on 733 733 7000. Lovely undi saree, very pretty peach, pure silk, very lovely and heavy andi, pure crepe saree idi. And mast soft undi chala. Peach and grey combination lo, lines with birds, lotus birds and circles, chakras design ochindi. And this is the beautiful border, pure satin crepe ఇది, తెలుస్తుంది కదా చూస్తూనే మీకు ఫాలీగా ఉంది మెటీరియల్, సూపర్ సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ వెరీ గార్జియస్ మెటీరియల్. అండ్ ద బార్డర్ ఈస్ గ్రే కలర్ లైన్స్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్స్, కలంకారీ హ్యాండ్ పెయింటెడ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లవ్లీ పల్లు with beautiful goddess design, florals, trees, and we got a pretty blouse, olive green, plain with border. And ee saree pricing and details. 10,720 only. Take a screenshot along with the code 0370. Send us on 733 733 7000. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. Yeah, it's a silk kalamkari pattu saree which is in lemon yellow, complete floral jal, kalamkari hand painted floral jal, border rich kaddi border, pallu blue color with floral vines and ended up with kaddi border. Blouse contrast indigo blue with border. And ee saree pricing and details. 14,400. Take a screenshot along with the code K511. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree, Tassa Kalamkari, which is in light blue and beige combination, all over floral vines and leaves and lovely border with florals, huge peacock, so beautiful, plan booties, and this is the blouse, beige color with lines and border. Complete thread lines andi idantha thread lines, thread border ochindi. Idi paint. And ee saree pricing and details. Chala manchi blue, light pastel blue, and this is the 12,000 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code O366. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, very gorgeous blue andi, chala lovely blue, and all over zari booties. Idi paithani, pure paithani saree, neither kalamkari, very lovely Maharashtrian paithani. Kalamkari, all over floral booties along with the beautiful kalamkari printed florals, leaves, and beautiful dolls and round booties, girl booties. And this is the border, triple munia red color border, and this is the pallu, rich paithani border pallu with floral vases and peacocks, munias. And blouse, contrast blouse, beige color with all over kalamkari printed buttas and border. Chala pretty ga undi. And ee saree pricing and details 39,999. Take a screenshot along with the code M452. Send us on 733 733 7000. Chala lovely ga undi. Another saree. Wow, very beautiful paithani kalamkari, very pretty, lovely florals and leaves all over body. And this is the beautiful kaddi border in paithani border with peacocks, parrots, florals in geometric pattern, rich kaddi. And this is the rich paithani pallu kaddi with peacock and parrot border. And this is the super gorgeous blue color blouse with buttas and border. So pretty, adripoyindi asla combination. Pallu kuda chala gorgeous ga vachindi. This is the beautiful pallu, beautiful krishnaya. And ee saree pricing and details 43,999. It's a pure paithani kalamkari. Take a screenshot along with the code O373. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, lovely tussar, very soft and pretty, lovely water. ఇక్కడ మనకి lotus buds వచ్చాయి, దాంతో పాటు ఫ్లవర్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయి. All over body, beautiful indigo blue and beige combination. Border వచ్చేసి zigzag and floral design along with the kaddi. And pallu వచ్చేసి, this is the pallu. Yeah, this is the beautiful pallu andi. ఇలా zari lines వచ్చాయి. పైన అంతా గాడెస్ బొమ్మలు వచ్చారు అష్టలక్ష్మి లాగా. వావ్, సో ప్రెటీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీ బ్లౌజ్ చూసిద్దాం. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి మనకి కాంట్రాస్ట్ బేజ్ కలర్ లో వచ్చింది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్ విత్ లైన్స్, జరీ లైన్స్ అండ్ బార్డర్. సూపర్బ్ గా ఉంది ఈ సారీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 12,000. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Wow, one more pretty saree, pen kalamkari, beautiful tussar all over. anta maniki oka village theme lo undi. Complete motifs వచ్చాయి, girls and boys, goddess motifs. Superb గా ఉంది. Very lovely elephants here, and here again ఒక రాజుల కాలం లాంటి థీమ్ అండి ఇదంతా. And this is the border, brown color with work, and this is the pallu. Complete ade vachindandi theme anta doll booties, and this is the beautiful brown color contrast blouse with border, very lovely. And ee super saree pricing and details 8,880. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree. Beautiful Kanchi Kalamkari. Peach color and red combination. All over beautiful peacocks and circles, floral vines, and border florals, zigzag design, and rich leaf brocade pallu, diamond brocade in leaves, and border blouse, self, all over kalamkari print and border. And ee saree pricing and details 47,999. It's a pure Kanchi Kalamkari. Take a screenshot along with the code K493. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree. Light brown, beige brown ala brick red combination lo vachai ani. All over beautiful doll booties. Andamaina ammayilo, and with very pretty lotus and lovely Kanchi border with paslays and kaddi. And this is the pallu, pasley brocade, contrast pallu and contrast maroon color blouse with border. So lovely. And ee saree pricing and details Kanchi Kalamkari 26,399. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, beige and yellow combination, all over Kalamkari hand print florals and leaves, kaddi border, pallu, contrast with florals, and ended up with kaddi border, blouse, contrast yellow color plain blouse with border, pure silk, Kanchi Kalamkari silk. And ee saree pricing and details 12,800. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Too lovely. Another saree, grey, beautiful grey and blue combination, complete big paslays which are hand painted florals and leaves, and beautiful border with floral vines, paslays, and plain orange olive green color border. And this is the pallu, very pretty peacocks and blouse, contrast olive green with buttas, floral buttas and border. And ee saree pricing and details 4,800. Take a screenshot along with the code K495. Send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. You can visit our store to feel the fabric, to see lots of collections. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddama Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Yeah. Wow. One more gorgeous saree, very pretty Kanchi Kalamkari which burnt orange shade lo undi, and beautiful doll booties in rounds, florals and leaves, and lovely Kanchi border with cross credi and floral vines with both silver and gold zari, contrast border blue color. And this is the pallu, contrast with leaf brocade and floral vines border, contrast pallu and contrast plain blouse with all over Kalamkari print and border. Too good andi, very pretty combination, lovely bright combination ochindi. and saree price 45,599. Take a screenshot along with the code 0382. Send us on 733 send 000. Very lovely. Another saree. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉన్నాయండి సారీస్ మాత్రం అద్దరిపోయాయి. అండ్ ఈ కలంకారీస్ చాలా డివైన్గా అనిపిస్తాయి కలెక్షన్స్ అన్నీ. అండ్ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా పెయింట్ చేస్తారు. అండ్ ఈ సారీ వచ్చేసి లైట్ గ్రే విత్ మల్టీ కలర్ ఫ్లోరల్స్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ కృష్ణ, గాడ్ కృష్ణ డాల్స్ and very pretty florals, and downside we got cows and beautiful kaddi border and very pretty pallu. Krishna, God Krishna with gold andi. Enta devotional ga undo. Just look at the pallu, so mesmerizing. And blouse beige color with buttas and border, kalamkari buttas. చాలా లవ్లీగా ఉంది సారీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 14,400. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ అండ్ సెండ్ us on 733 and let's see another saree. Wow, beautiful light half white andi. You can see cream color, half and half. పై వైపు అంతా కింద అంతా రామాయణం రాసారండి. కంప్లీట్ రామాయణం రిటన్ విత్ హ్యాండ్ పెయింట్, సో గార్జియస్. పై వైపు అంతా థీమ్, సో లవ్లీ గాడ్ అండ్ గాడెస్ ఇమేజెస్ అండ్ లవ్లీ బార్డర్, కడ్డీ బార్డర్. అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద పల్లు, రన్నింగ్ పల్లు. ఇక్కడ వరకు రామాయణ కథ ఉంది. అండ్ దిస్ ఎండెడ్ అప్ విత్ కడ్డీ బార్డర్. And we got self color blouse with kalankari buttas and border. Chala lovely undandi. So such artistic sarees and exclusive sarees unnai. And ilanti malli raavandi. And ee sarees venaka so much of hard work ani untadi. And ee kalamkari anedi 400 years back nunchi chala popular work anamata. So just wear kalamkaris and support beautiful artisans. And ee saree pricing and details let me give you. Sorry. And ee saree pricing and details just note down. Take a screenshot along with the code 13,920. Take a screenshot along with the code 0374. Send us on 733 000. So lovely. Pure silk andi. ఇది వచ్చేసి పైథిని, వెరీ లవ్లీ పైథిని కలంకారీ విచ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ మస్టర్డ్ అండ్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్. ఆల్ ఓవర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ హ్యాండ్ పెయింటెడ్ and along with the zari booties, beautiful dolls and round booties, leaves and florals, and border diamond brocade contrast border. And this is the pallu, rich paithani pallu with flower vases and peacocks, and gorgeous contrast blouse with kalamkari floral buttas and border. And the saree pricing and details 31,999. Take a screenshot along with the code 0364. Send us on 733 000. Superb ga undandi. Wow, cute saree which is in beige color, all over complete floral vines and jal. Pai వైపు వచ్చేసి బ్యూటిఫుల్ పీకాక్స్, గాడ్ అండ్ గాడెస్ మోటివ్స్ వచ్చాయి. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది, సో లవ్లీ. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బార్డర్, కంచి బార్డర్. ఇది కూడా కంచి కలంకారీ అండి. పింక్ కలర్ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది విత్ టెంపుల్స్, క్రాస్ కడ్డీ. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ పల్లు, వెరీ లవ్లీ పల్లు. See, goddess Ram, very pretty, ended up with zari lines. This is the pallu, ended up with zari lines. And blouse vachesi self with kalamkari buttas and beautiful border. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. 12,640. Take a screenshot along with the code 0372. Send us on 733 733 7000. Pure silk, peach color, peach and beige combination, all over floral jal and beautiful floral vines kalamkari printed border and lovely pallu with beautiful very pretty dolls, very beautiful ladies, and blouse contrast royal yellow with all over kalamkari prints. And ee saree pricing and details. 12,640. Take a screenshot along with the code 0375. Send us on 733 733 7000. And log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com for more latest and exclusive collection. This is pure crepe, very pretty blue and beige half white combination. It's not beige, it is cream color and half white, and all over beautiful water birds vachai, water flowers vachai, birds vachai, lotus birds. And this is the border, floral vines along with the zari kaddi border, cross kaddi. And this is the pallu, beautiful pallu with peacock and florals. And blouse vachesi contrast plain blouse with border. And these saree pricing and details. 13,200. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, lovely kanchi kalamkari, very pretty grey and blue combination, all over. This is Gadwal andi, it's not kanchi, it's a Gadwal. Yeah, it's a Gadwal silk saree, all over zari booties and mugu booties and rangoli booties. And this is the border contrast with kaddi and paslays and floral border. And this is the pallu, cross lines with paslays along with the floral vines border. Pure Gadwal pattu saree, very pretty blouse, contrast with border. And e saree pricing and details. 35,999. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. So pretty. Another saree, yellow and yellow, very pretty paithani saree, all over floral booties, zari floral booties along with the kalamkari hand painted beautiful doll booties and rounds, and contrast border with diamond brocade. Lovely paithani pallu with flower vases and peacocks along with the muniyas and diamond booties. Blouse contrast beige color with kalamkari booties and border. And e saree pricing and details. 31,999. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Wow. Kanchi kalamkari again. Complete olive dark teal green lo ala undandi shade vachesi. Hand painted kalamkari florals and leaves vachai. Border vachesi zigzag kaddi border. And we got a super gorgeous pallu here. Yes, this is the pallu. The shoulder part vastundi with dolls. Oka herd theme lo vachin huts vachai, deers vachai, trees vachai. So lovely. And blouse vachesi and pallu ila idi kuda vachindandi manaki rich kanchi pallu with leaf brocade contrast. And blouse Very lovely contrast blouse with floral lines and border. And ee saree pricing and details 39,999. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. Very pretty, very lovely. అద్దరిపోతాయండి కలంకారీస్ అసలు. ఈ సారీ ఆ సారీ. And one more saree. Again proudly say that sarees lo top ante kalamkaris andi. And ee saree vachesi kanchi paithani kalamkari and all over floral booties vachayi. And lovely dolls in rounds. And this is the Paithani border, single munya border. Lovely pallu, rich Paithani pallu with flower vases and booties, peacock booties. Chala pretty ga undi. And this is the contrast blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details 35,999. Take a screenshot along with the code K500. Send us on 7337337000. Chala pretty. Wow, very beautiful tussar, half white, all over kalamkari florals and leaves, beautiful border, plain contrast with ikat design. This is the pallu with ikat design, borders, beautiful contrast blouse with borders. Chala lovely ga undandi. Enta light weight ga undi asalu ee saree. Price vachesi 8,960. Take a screenshot along with the code D467. Send us on 7337337000. One more saree. Beautiful peach and beige combination lo undi. Lovely peacocks in circles, florals, beautiful fishes, very pretty fishes. And huge lotus booties vachayi. Chala lovely ga undi. Floral vines contrast border. And this is the pallu. Asli pallus ani ila చూయిస్తేనే అర్థమవుతుందండి. చాలా అందమైన గర్ల్స్ లేడీస్ ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ. Beautiful doll booties. And ఈ సారీ బ్లౌజ్ చూద్దాం. Yeah, contrast beige color with all over kalamkari prints. And ee saree pricing and details 12,640. Take a screenshot along with the code. Send us on 7337337000. Green color, Bagalpuri tussar, plain green color, all over mirror work vachindi. Akkadakada mirror work tho booties vachayi. And downside we got beautiful god applique work. And this is the backing, chinna piping laga vachindandi, oka half inch. And this is the pallu, running pallu with applique dolls, kalamkari dolls and tassels. And blouse self plain with border. Ila mirror work vachindi, sleeves ki light ga. And ee saree pricing and details 13,520. Take a screenshot along with the code D468. Send us on 7337337000. Yeah, beautiful kalamkari pure silk saree, pale yellow, very lovely floral jal. And downside we got peacocks and circles, maroon color, lovely kaddi border. This is the pallu. Beautiful peacocks, trees, florals and leaves. And blouse, self color with buttas, floral buttas and border. And this saree pricing and details 14,400. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash on delivery option. Another saree. Yeah, Kanchi Kalamkari. It's a digital and complete adanta digital work. Idanta print, computerized screen printing, chala pretty ga undi. Beautiful, lovely ladies all over the saree. So lovely and such a beautiful. And this is the contrast cross cutty border with paslays and zigzag design. Superb ga undi. Fabric aithe chala soft undi. And this is the pallu, cross brocade, florals, contrast pallu, very lovely contrast pallu. And this is the blouse. Yes, we got a blouse for this. Kanchi blouse with self brocade buttas and border. And ee saree pricing and details 31,999. Take a screenshot along with the code J661. Send us on 733-733-7000. మస్తున్నాయి కదండి వాళ్ళ సారీస్ మాత్రం అద్రిపోయాయి. ఇప్పుడు మానిక్వీన్ సారీస్ చూసి వాటి ప్రైజెస్ చూసి ఇప్పటివరకు మనం చూసిన కలెక్షన్ ఒకసారి అలా క్విక్ లుక్ చూసేద్దాం. And this beautiful saree అలా అక్కడి నుంచి చూద్దామండి. ఈ సారీ వచ్చేసి బ్యూటిఫుల్ లైట్ ఆలివ్ గ్రీన్ షేడ్ అండ్ బ్లూ కాంబినేషన్ లో ఉంది. ఇట్స్ అ ప్యూర్ సిల్క్ సారీ అండ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ వాటర్ బబుల్స్, లోటస్ అండ్ ఫిషెస్. అండ్ అప్పర్ సైడ్ వి గాట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గాడెస్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి అండ్ బార్డర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ and kaddi border along with the temple. And the saree pricing and details 23,999. Another saree, yellow Kanchi Kalamkari, yellow and red, beautiful mango yellow and red, all over zari booties and complete hand paint, beautiful doll faces and lovely border, zari lines, Kanchi border with diamonds and blocks. And this saree pricing and details 35,999. Another saree, very beautiful Bhagalpuri saree, jute saree, all over Kalamkari print with temple border, plain temple border. And Ganga Jamuna paina vaipu manaki green border, downside we got. అండ్ ఇదైతే అద్దరిపోయిందండి. పళ్ళు చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది మల్టీ కలర్స్ తో. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ఇక్కడ థీమ్ లాగా వచ్చింది కొంచెం. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 13,200. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ అండ్ సెండ్ us on 733-733-7000. And this super gorgeous blouse is from our brand Afa Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. So contact our brand for any designing lehengas or dupattas or blouses for this wedding season. And beautiful sarees unnai. You can come down to our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. So ippudi varaku manam chusina kalamkari sarees okkasari ala quick look. ఇంకా చాలా సారీస్ ఉన్నాయండి జస్ట్ హియర్. ఇఫ్ యూ మిస్డ్ ఎనీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్, టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ నౌ. చూసారు కదండి వాటి అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ అమేజింగ్ అండ్ ఎక్స్క్లూసివ్ కలంకారీస్. పట్టులో చూసాం, టస్సర్లో చూసాం, అండ్ నేను వేసుకుంది అయితే కోరా. అండ్ సో మీకు నచ్చిన సారీస్ని వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 7337337000 నెంబర్కి. ఏదైతే ఈ లైవ్ వీడియో ఉందో దిస్ వుడ్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ఐజీటీవీ, ఫేస్బుక్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూట్యూబ్. సో విదిన్ 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్కి ఈ సారీస్ కొనుగోలు చేయొచ్చు. మీరు చేయాల్సిందల్లా ఒకటే, మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. సో రేపటి లైవ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. Until then, bye-bye. Take care. Shweta signing off. Love you all.